Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word focused in English. So what we see here is the script taken from the Cambridge Online Dictionary, and you can see that this word is broken down into 2 syllables. So we've got the dot in the middle that breaks the syllables, and the blue mark top left tells us that the first syllable is stressed. So the pronunciation of this word is focused. Focused. So the split is in the middle. Fo, syllable 1, cust, syllable 2, and we want fo to be stronger. As I've said in a previous video, it can help you to find that strength by making some gesture with your hands to help you feel that the force is like flying out of your body. I don't know if you've ever seen a video where a character, it could be live action or animation, but a character who can produce magic from their hands, or like in Harry Potter where they use a wand to produce magic. And when a magical character is doing such a thing, they kind of cast their hands forward in a very dramatic way. Doing something like that can help you, just kind of flicking your hands forwards or moving them up quickly. Having that physical gesture can help you if you're somebody who struggles to produce word stress or sentence stress. Just adding a physical element might help you. So give it a go, have a play around, but don't do it while you're driving, please. Only do it when it's safe to do so. So let's have a look then. Let's break down a bit further now and look at the sounds in this word. So syllable 1, we've got the f at the beginning. So touch the top teeth to the bottom lip and then hiss some air out. F. And then we've got a double vowel. Now there's a bit of a tendency sometimes for people to forget that this schwa sound also happens within double vowels, and that when it does, it sounds a little different to when it's on its own. So in syllable 2, you can see that we've got a schwa, and the syllable is pronounced cust, and so it's just an it's that weak vowel. But in the syllable at the beginning, in syllable 1, our pronunciation of that syllable is fo. So it's not that the schwa is not identical to the schwa in syllable 2. It has a slightly different sound because it's part of that diphthong. So the pronunciation of that double vowel is o, fo. And what you must have is movement in your mouth. If you're trying to say that double vowel without moving your mouth, without moving your lips, it won't come out correctly. Double vowels always in English involve movement. O. This vowel basically is the sound that somebody says when they are surprised. Oh, oh, it's that. It's the same sound. So what you're aiming for is fo, fo. And remember, it's strong. So do some magic hand gestures or whatever you need to do to get that strong syllable out when you repeat after me nice and loud. Focused. Focused. Good. So focusing in on syllable 2 then, we've got a k, k. So no voicing there. We've got that weak schwa, and then a nice st ending. St. So with the st, you'll notice that it's a t ending and not a d. We'll talk about that in a moment. Because we've got the s, the sound that follows it is a t, st. So our final syllable, when we put all of that back together, repeat after me, cust. So putting everything back together then, nice and loud with the magic hands, repeat after me, focused. Focused. And there it is in writing, focused. So let's think about common errors very quickly. Maybe the most common thing I hear in terms of mispronunciation is about that first vowel, because when we see it, we only see one. It looks like an O. So I've heard many people pronounce this word focused, but it's not. It's a double vowel, O, O, focused. Now, to focus is a verb. Focused can be a past tense of the verb, and it's written with a D because it's a regular verb, so it's got that ed ending. But please remember, with the pronunciation, it's a st, and that occurs because the word in base form ends in an S. Focus, focused. Okay, so if you find this challenging, if you're not sure when you should pronounce an ed ending as a t or an id or a d, check out the links below. I've made a video that focuses on exactly that issue. There are some very solid rules that you can memorise, and basically once you know those rules you can apply them to all of the regular verbs, which is a really neat trick. Anyway, check out the links below to get that information. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe so you stay up to date. Hit the like button if you found this video useful, and please feel free to comment or share on social media. Check out the homepage for lots of other useful videos. Thanks for watching. You've remained very focused given you're here to the end, so well done, and have a lovely day.